Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how I save broccoli seeds. And you're looking at a broccoli plant that's growing in my garden. And this is a non-hybrid variety of broccoli, and that ensures any seeds I save will grow true to type. And it's the end of the season, and around 2 months ago I picked out the middle head out of this broccoli and ate it. Then over the next couple of months I picked all the side shoots from this broccoli and ate those as well. And all that's left now is just a really few very small little side shoots. But any of those little side shoots that you don't pick, well, they'll go on to develop broccoli flowers, and from those flowers is where you get your broccoli seeds. Yeah, so any side shoots that you don't pick will run up to seed, and they'll produce those nice little yellow flowers that you can see there in the picture. And then from those yellow flowers, once the bees pollinate them, then the flowers die off, and you're left with these little green pods on the broccoli. And inside those green pods are your seeds, but you just have to wait for those seeds to fully form, and then eventually the pods will go sort of a brown. And be brittle, and the seeds will be sort of a dark sort of brown, or dark brown inside. And that's when you know the seeds are ready to pick. Okay, so after those pods start to form, it probably takes a couple of months, and then you'll finally start getting some nice sort of big brown pods that are all full of seeds. Then you can come along and cut off some of those stalks with all the green, cut off one of those stalks with all the brown pods on them, and put them in some sort of container. And basically all you do is just give them a bit of a rub, really just touch them in a way, and all the seeds, the pods shatter, and then you're left with the bottom of that bowl. You're left with all the dark sort of brown seeds for the broccoli. And so obviously get rid of all the light brown pods and twigs and stuff, and then you're just left with the seeds that you can plant next season, ready to grow some more broccoli plants. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.